Hi. Hi, my name is Isabel, and today we'll be doing skill number 4, which is reconstituting pediatric suspension. And today I have my cylinder, my tag, my makeshift label because they didn't send me the actual one, so I made a makeshift one, which is basically the same one. I just had to get the sticky stuff for it. And then the rest of my labels. My 10 millimeter syringe, and then I'll have water here shortly, my food dye, and my bottle. So the expiration date on this, when we add water into it, is only good for 7 to 10 days. So today is July 1st. It'll be, the expiration date on it will be July 7th of 2024. The bud date will be October 21st in 2024. So today we are going to read the bottle, and it says to tap the bottle and add 15 milliliters of water, and we're going to use within 10 days and shake well before using. Today we have 15 milliliters of Zithromax. It's 200 milligrams, which is 5 milliliters. And today we will be doing this prescription for Adele Wilson, who lives on 5090 West Willow Street in Westwood. Today she needs to take 500 milligrams, or which is 2 teaspoons or 10 milliliters within the first day for day 1, and then for the next 4 days she will need to take 3/4 of the teaspoon, which is 3.75 milliliters for the next 4 days, and after the 5 days she needs to discard the rest of it. So we are going to go ahead and wash our hands, and let's go. Alright, we're going to start by removing jewelry. So I only have my rings and my watch on. Now we're going to start by turning the water on so it's warm, not hot or too cold. That feels pretty good. I'm not going to touch the sink. We got it done with motion. Now we're going to get some antibacterial soap and circular motions. Rub all over. Now we're going to scrub underneath the nails and on the nail beds. I'm trying not to rinse soap everywhere. I know underneath my nail beds really need it. I know my nail beds My nails are all good to go. And my hands. Why did I say my nails? Oops. Alright. Now we are back in my spot. Hands are clean. I am, however, going to put some hand sanitizer on. We're going to let them air dry, and then we'll put gloves on. And my mathematical equations, since we wanted to equal 15 perfectly with the color and the dye, the orange flavoring, we are going to subtract 0.3 milliliters from 15 milliliters, which will equal 14.7 milliliters, and that's how much water we're going to need today. So I am going to don my gloves. Ooh, I forgot one thing, and that was my other syringe, which is right here. It's not that far away. I just forgot to bring it with me to this station. Okay. We are going to have our cylinder here, and instead of pouring it in, I'm going to use a syringe. That way I can get the perfect measurement of what I need for 14.7 milliliters. Let's see, 11.5. 14. Focus. It's right underneath. So now, since this only equals, oh man, the tab is still, no, we're good. Okay, since 1 milliliters of this equals 2 drops and we need 3 of them, we are going to put 6 drops in. Ooh, elevation. Okay, so there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Go. There is 15 right there. We're just gonna swirl it up a little bit. And with this guy, we're gonna read, it says to tap the bottle and then add 15 milliliters of water. So just kind of break up the sides of it. Now we'll pour that in and give her a good little shakety shake. And I think because not all of it poured out, it's just right below 15. It's right like 14.9. It's stuck on the corner. It won't come out. There's so much right there. I can't get it to come out. There we are at just under 15 because I think that are all over the side of it would fully make it 15. I just really want it to be 15. I just can't get these droplets out. It's like right there. I don't like it. Aha. Boom. There we go. Still like right under 15, but I know with that holding in there, it's 15. It's gotta be. Just mad because it's all in the side of this right here. All right. Now that that's done, we're going to take the label put the label on. We're going to add the shake well stickers because if anything is more natural, it'll settle. And do not refrigerate. And then on the right hand corner, I'm going to add my initials. So I have the bottle here ready, my label's on. That way they know to shake her real well right before suspension. I have my 10 milliliter syringe to go with it. And then I have this piece of paper here that I made shift on my own. And I'll scan it and submit it with the link that this video will upload on. So now that label is put on. And when they come in to come and pick up Mrs. Wilson's prescription, their parents, because she is a minor, like, we'll talk to their parents and I'd be like, hello, can I get your name and address and phone number, please? Oh, you're here to pick up this prescription. This was made today, July 1st, 2024. It's only good for about 10 more days, so at July 10th, 2024 is when this will expire. For the first few days, she will need to be taking this. The very first day, she will need 10 milliliters, which I have provided this 10 milliliter syringe for you. On the side here, it'll say 10 milliliters. You'll want to take it in and pull up to the plunger when it lines up with 10 milliliters. And then for the next 4 days after that, you only want to give her 7.5 milliliters, 3.7.5 milliliters, and you'll want to take that syringe up to 3.75 and have the plunger line up with it, because it's only 1/4 of a teaspoon that she'll need to take for 4 days. With it, I have the labels on it to say shake well before use and to do not refrigerate it. So this medication is ready to go for Adele Wilson. So thank you.